Hello everyone, welcome back to Meerriz Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix the Wi-Fi not showing issue in Windows 11. If you're not seeing your Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar, or the Wi-Fi option has completely disappeared from the settings, don't worry. I'll help you get your Wi-Fi back up and running. So make sure to follow along carefully till the end. Alright, let's get started. The first and easiest thing to try is using the official Windows Network Troubleshooter. Many times, this issue is caused by a small configuration error that Windows can automatically fix. To do this, right-click on the network globe icon in the lower right corner of the taskbar. Then click Diagnose Network Problems. A troubleshooting window will open, and you'll see the detected issues along with suggested fixes. We'll choose the option that says Restart the Network Adapter. Click on it to expand, and then click Restart Adapter. Wait for a few seconds while Windows resets the adapter. In many cases, this step alone solves the problem. But if your Wi-Fi is still missing, let's move to method number 2. In the second method, we'll restart the WLAN AutoConfig service. This service helps Windows detect and connect to wireless networks. And if it's stopped or disabled, your Wi-Fi won't show up. To do this, go to the Start menu, type Services, and click to open it. Scroll to the bottom, find WLAN AutoConfig, right-click on it, and select Restart. If the service is stopped, click Start instead. Also, make sure that the startup type is set to Automatic. To do this, right-click the service, go to Properties, and select Automatic from the drop-down menu. This ensures the service starts automatically every time you boot your computer. Now, check if your issue is resolved. If not, we'll move on to method number 3. In the third method, we'll disable and then enable the Wi-Fi driver to refresh its configuration. Open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand the Network Adapters section, then right-click your wireless network adapter and choose Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and choose Enable Device. This simple refresh often restores missing Wi-Fi options. If the issue still persists, right-click the same adapter and select Uninstall Device. Then restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the best driver for your Wi-Fi during startup. If that still doesn't fix the issue, let's move on to the next method. Sometimes, Windows disables the Wi-Fi adapter to save power, especially on laptops. This can occasionally cause the Wi-Fi option to disappear. To fix this, open Device Manager again, expand Network Adapters, and double-click your Wi-Fi adapter. Now, go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK to apply the changes. After that, restart your computer and check if your Wi-Fi icon appears again. If not, let's try a complete network reset. To perform a full network reset, go to the Start menu and type Network Reset. Click on Network Reset, then select Reset Now. A warning message will appear. Click Yes to continue. This will completely reset your network configuration, reinstall all network adapters, and automatically restart your PC to apply the changes. After your system restarts, check if your Wi-Fi network is now visible. If the problem still persists, let's move to our final method. Our final method is performing a hard power reset, which clears any temporary hardware or system glitches. First, shut down your PC completely. Once it's off, press and hold the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps discharge any remaining electricity from the motherboard and the network card, which can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. If you're using a laptop, unplug the charger and, if possible, remove the battery before holding the power button. Afterward, reconnect everything and turn your PC back on. It might sound simple, but this method has surprisingly helped many users restore their Wi-Fi after a hardware power drain. And that's it. These are proven methods to fix the Wi-Fi not showing problem in Windows 11. In most cases, the issue is caused by a minor service glitch, a faulty driver, or a disabled network adapter. And one of these methods should definitely solve it for you. If your Wi-Fi is working again, don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know which method worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Meerriz Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.